what I'm dealing with on a Saturday afternoon, having to fix some leaks and repair some stuff right before a fishing trip. And I tell you what, I don't know what to think of myself today. By myself underneath here, working on this boat, trying to get all this stuff situated before the big day. Things you gotta do when you have a fishing career. Welcome to CNG Fishing and Outdoors on this awesome Saturday afternoon, when you gotta climb underneath your boat and do some caulking. You gotta climb inside of it, doing some wiring hookup, getting everything all ready to go before you go head to Toledo Bend for 5 or 6 days and try to go catch some of this bass out there. But anyway, I hope everybody else is having a great afternoon. Thank you for watching.